Welcome back. We're looking at the 2024 state exam paper, higher level leaving cert maths. We're doing question 5. Okay, so straight away here we're given that there are two sets and we're asked to find this set here. Now if you have forgotten what that is due to maybe a lot of time going by and it not being in long-term memory, you can go to page 23 and you'll be reminded that the cap, as we call it, is pronounced as an intersection. Okay, so that might jog your memory, and it might remind you that the intersection is the stuff in the middle. Okay, similarly here, if you've forgotten what this symbol means, you can go to the log tables and it says set difference or difference, but it's set. So it's set difference, or A less B, or A set difference B, which A less B is a good one, because it's A take away B, so do not include B, but include the rest of A. It's nice to know that they're in the log tables. Okay, and then we're going on to some more difficult problem solving here. Because on higher level you also have to be able to do problem solving with 3 sets. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what we're dealing with first. The sets, the universal P, Q and S are as follows. The universal is made up of the natural numbers from 1 to 10. So they're not all in there. We're going to be populating this with more elements. The set P is equal to 3, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, as a list, there's no particular reason except there's no maths behind it. That's just defined by list. The set Q is 3, 5 and 10. And the set S is the factors of 10. Okay. Just going to use the calculator for this. We're going to put 10 in the calculator by printing 10 equals, and then we'll shift factorize to get the prime factors of 2 and 5, and we'll add on the trivial ones. So here we're getting 1, 2, 5 and 10. The trivial ones are 1 and 10, and then the calculator can tell you all the rest of them, but you have to be careful on that because there can be powers. Okay, but this is a semi-prime, we call it, because it's just a product of 2 primes. It's quite simple. Okay, now what we do is we scan through these 3 looking for the center. So you should start at the middle and work your way out. So what's in 3, 5, 6 and 9? I'm just going to, because I don't want to spend ages on it. I'll take that away and put this in. Okay, what's in 3, 5, 6 and 9, 3, 5 and 10 and 1, 2 and 5. So straight away I can see there's a 5 there. Okay, and there's no other overlaps. There's a missing 10 here, and so on. There's no other overlaps. So then what we do is we work our way out from that, looking at the intersection only parts. In other words, these little parts here. Okay, so let's start at this top one here. So what's in P and Q, but not here? So we're looking at P and Q, and we see 3 is there. So we can put that here, and that seems to be it. Coming down here, what's in Q and S? What's in here? 3, 5, and 10. We see there's 10 in it. Okay. Over here, what's in P and S? And we see there's no other overlap, so there's nothing there. Okay, we go on then out into the only sections, if you like. Okay, not the intersection only sections, but the only sections. So let's look at P and say, is there more to P than we already have? We have 3, 5 and 9. So what's in P that's not here? And obviously there's one more, and it's 6. Same with Q. We have 3, 5 and 10, so there's nothing there. With S, we already have 5, 10 and nothing. 5, 10 and nothing. So 1 and 2 we need to go here. And then we can look at what are we missing in the overall set of numbers from 1 to 10 in the universal, which is 1, 2, I'll just count through them, and anything missing I'll add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't find 7 anywhere, so I'll add it. I see 8, 9, and 10. So now my picture is complete. Okay, and we're going to list the elements of the set. Again, we know that this means intersection from page 23, and the three-way intersection, the answer is 5. Now, you're supposed to put, when you're listing a set, you should always put braces on the outside. It does say it'll allow you accept lists of elements without set brackets. They call it set brackets. The correct name is braces. Okay, but you should put them in. They're just being a bit forgiving there if you left them out, but they should mathematically be in. List the elements of the set P without Q. So let's try and ignore completely that S is there. So even if I was up here, here we see A without B. So here we see the concept with just two sets. So P without Q is 6 and 9 because 3 and 5 are in Q. I hope you can see that. Just block this one out, and you're looking for this little half moon here in the end, 6 and 9. And set brackets going there, as they call it. Okay, that's the end of question 5. See you in the next one.